Assalamualaikum and very good day to everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak with all of you today. It's a pleasure to be here and share something truly exciting, an unforgettable travel experience that blends history, culture, and adventure in one of the most fascinating countries on earth, which is Turkey. Have you ever wondered where civilization began or dreamed of walking ancient path, kissing by the Mediterranean side? Today, I invite you on a journey not just across Turkey, but back through the time. Our first destination is Göbekli Tepe, next in the southernest region of Sanliurfa. This isn't just another archaeological site, it's just the oldest known temple in the world, built over than 11,000 years ago. Before Stonehenge, before the pyramid, even before writing exists. Imagine walking among towering stone pillar cave with mysterious symbol by prehistoric hand. Göbekli Tepe rewrite everything we knew about early humanity, proving that belief system and complex societies existed long before cities or agriculture. Our objective here is more than sightseeing. It's about rediscovering the root of civilization and appreciating how spiritual life may have sparked the very idea of communities. But Turkey doesn't just offer ancient history. It gives you breathtaking nature too. Next, we head to the southwest coast to hike the legendary Lishan Way. This is a long distance trail stretching over 500 kilometers along the turquoise coast. Along the way, you will explore ancient ruins, stumble upon forgotten tombs, and rest in a charming seaside village. All while surrounded by pine skin forests and dramatic cliff view, cliffside view. Whether you walk a few days or take them on the full road, the objective here is simple. Immerse yourself in Turkey, nature beauty while tracing the footsteps of the ancient leisure. Together, these two experiences create the ultimate Turkish adventure. Göbekli Tepe, where the story of human civilization began, and the Lycan Way, where the nature and history walk side by side. So, are you ready to explore the soul of Turkey from its ancient scale ground to its stunning coastal trail? Let, let's make this journey unforgettable. Thank you.